Trouble. He never waits. Come here. Come on. We're gonna squat down here.
A little lower. A little lower.
Oh, girl.
Good, dude.
Oh, girl.
Okay.
I can't.
You're good, you're good.
Hello. Trouble and I are trying to find new ways to like enter the kitchen when we are gonna do a little video for you guys. All right, go back to your little bed that you love so much. So if you haven't noticed, today it's all about sweets. I am obsessed with TikTok like the rest of you, and I keep seeing all these weird things you can do with the air fryer besides make, you know, your kids chicken nuggets. Luckily, I have a sweet tooth, so I pulled from my little candy bar in my house, and we're gonna try to deep fry a few things, or air fry. According to the recipe, I needed crescent rolls. These are always a challenge to open up. So we are gonna use a Snickers. I think we're definitely gonna use a Milky Way. First thing to do, I believe, is to open this bad boy. Okay, start here. It says peel, but I thought you're supposed to do this. Oh. No. Bam! Okay, so they should add that into the instructions. So here's the thing, I feel like this is like a lot. Okay, they cut them like this, which doesn't seem like a lot. I would imagine that you have to make sure there's no holes because the chocolate will melt in the air fryer and you don't want it to drip out. Since we're experimenting, what if we did Snickers and a Twix? Groundbreaking. By the way though, if this tastes amazing, do you understand like all of the things I've made during quarantine? The cheesecake in the air fryer. I'm actually going to be the size of a house. The Indian food, which is amazing. Wow. The French burgers.
That is amazing. Wow. The flavor, oh my God, it's so real. Like.
And I wake up and I wonder, how did I gain 10 pounds in quarantine? It's like, is this the freshman 15 again? Am I back in college? The COVID 15, what? Now we need melted butter. You know, my great grandmother, she lived in Naples and she had chocolate every day. It's probably where I get it from. And she drank red wine every day. And she lived to 102 or 103.
You are very old. You are an old lady.
Go to your new home. We're gonna dust you off with butter.
You don't know how it feels being without butter.
God bless you. 6 minutes, 370. What? Since that's only 6 minutes, we're gonna make like dipping sauces. So the house we're building, which will be done in 2032, I want like a baker's pantry where you walk in, there's shelves everywhere and it says flour, almond flour, baking soda, baking chips, and it's just all organized. So anytime you need something, you just go in there and you get it. Those are my goals in life. What are yours?
Any hole is a goal. What did you say? Any hole is a goal.
I just always think about the people on the other end, and I just think about them being like, shouldn't you be wishing for world peace? Yes, that's a different platform. This is a gay cooking show. All are welcome, but I'm gay.
What?
I'm not gonna talk about what's going on in the world when I'm making a deep fried Snickers. So, chill. Oh. If that doesn't make you laugh.
Okay, the crickets aren't even laughing.
So if I take that out and it tastes good, you would dip it in the fudge, you'd have a little powdered sugar. Would you want anything else? God, that makes me happy. The weight's never coming off, so. Oh shit. Ooh, okay. You guys see this? Oh my God, it smells like Sunday morning. Okay. Okay, hold on. I think I have a bone to pick. I taste the crescent roll more than I taste anything else. This one's all melted. So the Snickers was melted more. Now I get it. So now it tastes like a chocolate pastry with some texture. Yeah, it's good. Yep.
I think I have a bone to pick.
So Jason turned off the camera, unfortunately, when he tried. He had a better reaction than I did. It's what they look like. Now listen, I'm not trying to give everybody diabetes in America. I'm not trying to make you fat. But if you want to try something fun, As they say, let us know. You can like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you try it, DM me with a picture. Let me know what you like. If you did something different, if you chopped up Skittles and put it in there. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!